What is going on, guys? EK1 Gaming here, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to add those widgets, layouts, the gold donation targets, all that good stuff to your Kick stream using OBS and Streamlabs OBS. Now, it's a pretty simple thing to do. However, it took me quite a while yesterday to actually figure out how to do it. And I searched YouTube so much with no luck. So I'm going to bring out a video now to show you exactly how to do it just in a couple of minutes to be able to get yourself set up and running on Kick. If you do find this helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Well, let's get straight into it. So for this video, the piece of software or the site you're going to want to sign up to is called BotRix.live. Now, this is something for Kick, Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, Discord, and of course Twitch. So if you want to add alerts like we're going to today, the thing is you're going to have to do is create an account on BotRix. The link will be in the description below for you guys, so you can just quickly click it to go to this page, sign up, and then of course log in with whichever one you like. Now you're going to notice that Kick is not here to log in with, so you're going to need to log in with one of your other ones first. So you'll have a Discord or a YouTube, I'm assuming, so just log in with one of them. So I'm going to do it with my YouTube. It'll ask you to confirm it with YouTube, and then when you come to this screen here, once you've logged in, it'll be under platforms. What you're going to do then is go ahead and go to Kick and click link. Just make sure it's linked, and then if it doesn't say your Kick here where it says platform, just click settings, and then it will bring you to the Kick settings, and then you can change settings for each one. Just ensure Kick has a tick on it, and of course your username. So what we're here to do is, of course, show you the alerts. Now, alerts are really good for streaming. Now, when people tip, when they subscribe to you, when they follow you, an alert usually pops up on your screen. So what happens is an image comes up, a bit of writing, and of course some sound. I have the sound muted for you guys at the moment because it's quite loud on my stream. So I'll show you exactly how you can do that in just a second. First things first, of course, click alerts on the top left. Then what you're going to do is go to each section. So you can have subscriptions, gifted subs, followers, raids, tips, and of course kicks on Kick. I don't know what kicks are. Let me know in the comment section below. I've only started streaming on Kick yesterday, so please tell me what kicks are in the comment section below. I'm assuming they're like bits on Twitch, maybe? I don't know. So what you're going to want to do is edit each section of this. So you can click through each one, and you're just going to edit it. So for subscriptions, what do you want it to look like? Now, there are a couple of sites where you might want to visit for this or before you do this and find the right GIFs for you and also the right sounds. One of them is Jiffy. You can literally search in here. So if you wanted something like, I know this is controversial. So if you wanted something like Andrew Tate, he rocks up once you've, you know, when you get a subscriber. You can literally go on here and you can just save each one that you want. So just find one that you want and literally just save it. So I'm going to save that as Jiffy on there. And then say for my instance now. So if you go to myinstance.com, you can pick the sounds. So we're going to again go with, I don't know if there'll be any Andrew. Oh, there will be. So you can now have a listen to what these sounds are. So what you can do now is select that theme. So we're going to have that one. We're then going to download it as an MP3. So we're going to click download here. It's downloaded in the right hand corner. And then what you can do is when you come to this here, you're going to want the style to be default. Don't click BotRix. BotRix doesn't appear correctly on stream for me. I don't know if anyone's got that working, but default, because you want to do it yourself anyway. Then what we're going to have is, do you want the image above the text, or do you want them next to each other, or do you want the text to go over the image? We're going to go for this one. I think we're going to next to each other. Let's do next to each other. Now, alert duration. I always go for around 6 seconds here. I think that's long enough. Then animation, there's only one at the moment, which is fade, so it fades in and fades out. Now, where it says picture and sound, this is where you are going to upload your own, or you can use their stock image, and you can search in here as well. It is limited a little bit. It is powered by Jiffy, but it is a little bit limited compared to the website. So I prefer to download my own, really customize it. So to do this, you're going to go for the picture. You're just going to click the green here. Then we're going to go for him. And then Andrew Tate is going to load up for us. If you ever get stuck on this screen here, you can click refresh and just do it again. It sometimes does bug out. It is in beta. So we've got the picture sorted. Now we want the sound. So click the green on the sound again. I'm going to go to downloads and then Andrew theme. There we go. Now Andrew Tate's theme is going to load up. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this on stream. We're just going to do this for you guys so you can see it. And then you can pick what color text you want. So I'm just going to stick to the white and green because it's Kick. I want it to be recognizable and I want it to stand out on pretty much any background. The text animation, you can only have that wiggling. You can pick whatever font you like as well. And then down here, you can pick the font size, what text you want. So you can put, thank you for becoming a top G if you want to stick to the Andrew Tate theme, or just leave it as thank you for subscribing, and then X, and then amount. Make sure you keep that section in. Do not take that out, otherwise it won't tell anybody the amount of subs or the amount of donation that has been done. And then you're going to click Save Settings. Now, by now, you would have done this for all of these. So subscription, gifting, subs, you can have them all different. They don't have to be the same. All different sounds, all different imagery, all different fonts. I will say the tips on here are direct through PayPal. So you won't, if they're tipping to your Streamlabs tip link, it's not going to show up on here. It's only directly to PayPal. So you might want to do a bot reminder or Chatbot, which we'll show you in a second, to say, hey, you can donate to PayPal if you like, or stick to your Streamlabs. I just stick to my Streamlabs link. So we've done that. Now what we are going to do is then copy this widget up the top here. So this is your URL, it's hidden. Click copy. And then we're going to head over to Streamlabs and show you exactly what to do with this URL. So right now we have Streamlabs open, as you can see. So you can see me here. There's lots of Streamlabs in Streamlabs and Streamlabs and Streamlabs. If you click plus next to sources, then you're just going to want to add a browser source. So add source, create a new one. So we're going to call this Tate. And then click add source. Now it's going to come up with this box here. This is the size of the alert. The alert is going to be within the middle of this box. But what you're going to do is where it says URL, just take that out and paste in the URL that you've just been given. Keep it 800, keep it 600. That's a good size for me. Don't change anything else. Click close. So now if you want an alert to appear at the bottom here, we're going to test that alert out now. So we're going to click subscription. So as you can see it looks pretty cool there. You can change that. You can have it however you want it. So that will pretty much feed through every single one of these for you, and you can position it anywhere on the screen you like. Now there are a couple of other things that I want to mention about BotRix. Some cool things that you can do. There are widgets. So if you want to see your viewer count on your screen, so you're literally going to have a K and how many people are viewing you. You can just literally go into that. You can customize the colors, the text. So I do actually like Russo 1 text. I think it's pretty cool. And then click copy again. Go ahead, put that into your stream via a browser source. So all of these things are going to be added via browser source. And then we have a good thing called Chatbot. Now, a lot of people, if you've been streaming before, you'll know about Chatbots or Nightbot or even a Cloudbot. Now, the first thing I will say, talking about Nightbot, is if you go to modules here, you can actually import all of your commands and everything from Nightbot. So if you're watching the video, you've already used Nightbot, I would recommend doing this rather than going through manually, unless you want a fresh start. So let's start with the moderation. It's going to moderate your channel for you. So you do have to add BotRix as a mod in your Kick channel. So just go to your channel. In the chat, just type in /mod and then BotRix. That's going to give the BotRix bot access to type into your chat. So you can protect against capital letters. So if you just don't want people spamming caps, don't want people putting in links, Emoji protection if you don't want emojis or so many emojis, you know, if they excessively do it, and symbol protection. Yam is not relevant to Kick. This is like a Twitch thing where you can name the bot, so we're not going to look at that today. Commands, so you can set commands here so people can type in the chat a certain command. So now mine is !donate. We created this earlier. If you would like to support the channel, here's the link. This is optional, you know, thank you in advance. So that's perfect. So if anyone wants to donate and they type that in the chat, this link will come up, or this message will come up here, and they have the option then to click on the link or not to click on the link. You can have as many of these as you like. Now, under documentation here, there are some pre-made ones that you might want to go ahead and advertise, you might want to use. So I would use those. Timers, it's the same as commands, but these are on a regular timer. So every 15 minutes, a message goes out in my chat from BotRix bot. Hey, don't forget to hit the follow button. I just set this up for this video. You're going to have some better things, I'm sure, going on there. If you're doing a special event or you want people to see something, then go ahead and set your timers. You can literally just edit the message, edit the interval, so time between each message, and then whether you want it on Kick, YouTube, Twitch, or Trovo, whatever green is, that's selected. And then modules, as I say, you can do chat alerts. So every time somebody follows you, it will come up a message from the bot in chat saying, thank you for the follow, and the person's name. Again, with donations, subscriptions, gifted subs, and raids. I'm probably going to see a lot more things coming to this software as well, because it is in beta. It's not that old at the minute. So just bear with it if you have any problems as well. You can also set up text-to-speech. I don't set this up. If you want your messages read out on your stream, I don't have that on because it really does open up a lot of bad things. So for me, that's switched off. Level system. Now, a level system is basically you reward followers. So like point system in Twitch, you reward your followers for loyalty, and then there's a point system as well. So basically they can then spend those points on different things that you offer within your channel. Then if you click on loyalty, leading to it, if at any point, like I said, you get stuck on this page here where it just stays for a little bit longer than it should, if you just click refresh, it should load up straight away. So we don't have any loyalty system set up at the moment, but you can literally go through. So in order of levels, how many points they get per minute, if they subscribe, how many points they get. That is a premium feature. I do have premium. If you want premium, it's only $2.49 per month, and it does open a few more things for you, and of course you'll get access to all of the new stuff when it comes out. Then you can have your store. So what are you offering? What is it you want? You know, they can buy virtual things or whatever you want it to be, pictures, whatever it is. You can literally say thank you for redeeming this item, and it will be redeemed for them. Then, of course, the sales record. I don't have any sales at the moment. I only started streaming on Kick yesterday. With that being said, make sure you follow me on Kick at EK1 Gaming TV. So, integrations now. So, Discord integration. So, with this, I mean, do you want, when you go live on Kick, it to come up in your Discord server saying, hey, EK1 Gaming is live, come and follow us, or come and have a look, here's the link, blah, blah, blah. I have mine set up with Discord and Kick, so in the general chat, every time I click live on Kick, it's going to send a notification out at everybody to say, hey, we're live, come and join us. Then there are mini games. Now, these mini games, some of these are not available at the moment. So roulette, slots, and gamble are not available at the moment. But they're basically to play within the chat. You can duel in the chat. So this looks pretty cool. So if you have a command, so !be duel or be arena, what happens is people can put that in the chat and they'll have a duel. And what happens then is you can actually select the amount of skins or games that they win, the rewards, level up rewards, all that good stuff. And this will basically appear wherever you want it on your screen, on your stream. A little battle going on. It's just random RNG, depending on people's levels and all of that good stuff. So you can basically level yourself up by battling with people in the chat. It gives them something to do. If you're just doing like a chill stream or you know, they're just like relaxing, listening to music, or just having a bit of a chat, you can do this as a bit of fun and have it on your stream. I really think I'm going to utilize this on some Just Talking streams as well. And then referrals. Well, if you refer people to BotRix, now I'm not affiliated with BotRix at all. I suppose you could count this as an affiliation link, but it's not really affiliated. I'm not promoting BotRix because I'm sponsored or anything like that at all. So this link will be in the description below. That will be the link that you'll be pressing to download or to sign up to BotRix. And then when you go live for the first time using BotRix, we'll both receive 20 cents. Now, that's nothing, I know, but it's something, you know, it is something. They'll probably rework this at some point. I think Streamlabs OBS, they give you, is it like $1 or a couple of dollars if someone signs up for their Prime or Ultra. But I'm sure if you sign up for Premium, they'll have a different section. I do have Premium, but this is just for the normal. You don't have to sign up for Premium at all. So just use that link. It will be in the description for you guys. So that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it and it helped you out, please hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And again, any questions, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will answer every single one of you. Now join our Discord, follow us on Kick, hit that YouTube subscribe button as well, hit the like button. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.